thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like on this video and your comment, of course. So today I am on my way to Bati Falls here in Ghana. This is probably going to be my last trip. So we're heading there now from Kaswa to Bati Falls. So this is probably like road trip from Kaswa to Bati Falls, and I'm going to be showing you every detail. This is my first time going to a waterfall, and I'm super excited because I've always seen pictures and videos of it online. So going there myself to see what it looks like is it's an experience that I'm looking forward to. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm going to say this: if you haven't subscribed, please one more time hit the subscribe button, like this video and leave a comment. We stopped at ShopRite to get food because it's going to be a very long journey from Kaswa to Bati Falls, about 3 hours drive. So after eating, we're going to continue the trip. So let's go. So we just saw some women by the roadside making palm kernel oil. So we're going there to ask them if we could film them, just a short video of them making the palm oil. Hopefully they will allow us to do the video. So let's head there. Pace is so sunny. We're stopping by to buy po floats so that we can get change.
Mommy, we'll give them pure water. Give them pure water.
Oh, wow. How?
Thank you.
The oil. Almost the Mamma buy no. Send a more yard. What? Come on. No, my drop you in the cry. Almost you send a more yard. I won't bet that. I'll make you see a picture. There is kind of no yet. I never see ya. I am one ya. I tried before the person. Wow. Wow. Yeah. 30%. For 50%. Some areas where you try 1 city.
Forward my salon, you better. Alada dila wonye 20%, 40%. You go all that. Where the one more mamma says it can no more. One or two mobile, why did you become?
Martin. The oil. Oh,
No.
David, wait.
Shop is not TV.
No, Mama.
Oh, David. Oh, let me go TV.
I wish I was phone.
This is the problem with the camera. So the camera 9.
Boss.
Well, maybe one day if you buy the machine, can't give the boss.
You.
Yeah.
How much is this machine? I think this is a local one.
This one is the local one. Local machine.
So this machine, what does it do?
If you did done this one.
Okay, grind this one, then
Yes.
you carry and go there, collect the seed.
Yes.
The rest of the seed, they put on the...
Yeah, wait a minute. Let the machine go down.
Okay guys, so we stopped by just like I told you. We found a place where we can farm oil, and we were able to speak to a very nice man classification to help us explain and be our tour guides, and he has been really it was a Uzi. So this Mr. Uzi, he has been telling us the process of making palm oil. This is the first stage of the palm oil. You bring the palm kernel seed here, and then after you put the seed into the machine.
Yes.
Then when you scatter it and it's like shafts like this. Take this and then into that place. That will be the next one. Then when you finish sieving the seed, the shafts from the seed itself, you bring the seed and then into the pot. So come on guys, let me show you guys the pot and what that really looks like. And I can also see coconut on the ground, which means they also make coconut oil here. Try it you make coconut oil here. You mix it with the palm oil. So apparently you mix the coconut oil and the palm oil and the palm seed together. So let's go.
This one with the pen. That is the pen will make black like this. That one where they use cook give the students the stove. This one. This one make like a charcoal.
Like a charcoal, wow.
You see? This one, black one.
Wow.
This is something new. You just found out that this can also be used as a charcoal for cooking.
Yes.
And another thing the lady just explained to us that the coconut oil you see, the coconut you see here,
Yes.
is usually mixed with
That
the palm oil.
one is oil.
Oil, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Mixed to get the palm oil itself. So this is it. You know they can allow me to just act like I'm listening. They just it. I want to see it.
You know? Do Let them go down.
Do you have that straight?
Oh my God. I just wish we keep palm oil.
So the shaft of the kernel is usually used as a charcoal. So it is shipped nearby. There's a school nearby that usually uses it as a charcoal for cooking. So that's what she's saying right now. They are offloading it into the bus to take it to the school.
So we just finished from where they make the palm oil. I showed you everything about how palm oil is made in Ghana, and now we're on our way to the waterfall. So I just want to tell you guys a short experience that we had while it was there, because to me it was funny. The first place we went to, I don't know if you guys noticed that the women there were shouting. They didn't want me to film. They were like, no, don't film. Some of them agreed, but some of them were like, no. Some of them were even walking like away from me because they didn't want to be captured by the camera. We tried to explain to them that it's not a TV commercial or whatever, like it's for a different purpose. I understand that some people will misunderstand because we're holding a camera, so we did try as much. You saw the man that was standing with us, so he tried as much as possible to explain to them, to bring it to their understanding that it's not, nobody's going to see you on TV, it's on YouTube, it's for different purpose, you get. But they kept shouting. So we went to the other side, and the people there were nice enough to let us film. They even explained what it was for, and you saw me using my hand to like mix the palm kernel to like bring out the oil from it. So they were nice, and we tipped them, but not big, because we weren't having enough money in our hand. Just we had little change, so we had to like share the change to be enough for like everybody. So we gave it to the woman there. She appreciated it. We tipped the man that was working with us. He appreciated it. You see those people that didn't allow us to film, that they were shouting, don't film, don't film. We gave them 5 cedis just for pure water, because in Nigeria we settle that on our wish. So we gave them 5 cedis for pure water. Guess what? She just raised the money like this. She just raised the money, and she was showing it to the other women like it was 5 cedis. 5 cedis they gave us. They said, hey, 5 cedis. When we were waving to them that we were going, Madam drew her face away like the 5 cedis you gave to her is too small. I understand that it's small, fine, but you did not allow me film. Like, you were shouting. You shouldn't even be expecting anything from the first place.
Well, you know, the lady, the other one, she appreciated it. The one who let us film, the one with the paste, the one turning the paste, she let us film.
But the rest of us were shouting.
It was that ugly lady over there
that was shouting that we shouldn't film. And the one that collected the money from us,
that one, she's okay. But the other one there, she should have said 5 cedis, I didn't agree. She's the ingrate, and she's the one disagreeing. Can
you imagine? And she's the same person that didn't allow us film. But all the same, that was it for that video. So I'll see you guys at Boating Falls. I can't wait to get there. We have been on the road for more than 3 hours now, because the map says 3 hours, but trust me guys, it is more than 3 hours and we are exhausted. So let's see if this place is actually worth going to.